Hello. Hi, good morning, Sunita and Lina. Hope you guys will well and good.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. In this session, we'll try to learn what is third-party process. Third-party process is if a customer places an order but no stock, okay, then we as an organization, we will place an order with our vendor, and they will deliver product to the customer directly, and invoices will be sent to us. Let's assume we have a customer, Sai. He is placing an order with our organization, which is sales organization. Sorry. If we have material with our stock, well and good. If we don't have material, then we will place the same item product with our vendor. So once sales order is created, with that sales order, a purchase organization will be created, and that purchase organization will be converted to PO, and will be sending that PO to vendor. The vendor will deliver the material directly to the customer, and invoice will be sent to our organization. The same we will be sending to our customer invoice. This whole process, how are we going to execute? We will see. What are the prerequisites? We need to have a customer, material. While creating material, we need to have item category group as PANS. While creating a sales order, item category will be TAS with schedule and category. Now we'll see vendor creation. We need to have vendor, right? So we'll see how to create a vendor. We have transaction code XK01. Let's try creating a vendor. I'll go to transaction code XK01. I'll maintain company code. I'll maintain purchase organization and account group. Okay. Let me go back. These data, we need to make configuration at the backend. I have already made. For that reason, I'm directly creating a vendor with these fields: company code, purchase organization, and account group. Enter. Let's maintain here supplier, company here. Let's maintain Sri vendor, or we can make this as Sri. Search term Sri. Postal code, country, region, view box, and this is the customer vendor. This is the step 1. Hit enter. This is step 2, create vendor control data. We can skip this one, just hit enter. This is step 3. Hit enter. This is step 4, create vendor. We can maintain here as supplier or vendor. Again, enter. Here, maintain reconciliation account reference 160000. Okay. Cash management as you can make it. You can click onto this search icon and make this as domestic A1. Enter. Payment terms. Click onto this options and select it 0001. Enter. Enter. Order currency as INR. Hello. Okay, shall we start? Sorry. Okay. Let's maintain order currency INR and enter. Enter and click on to save. So we have a reference 900907. Means we have created a vendor. Okay, we have just maintained these fields and maintain the name and hit enter. Basically, we have skipped all the steps just with the blank fields, and we got the reference with vendor 900907. We have vendor. I'll make this as 900907. Now, let's try creating an order. For creating order, we need to have master data, right? So let's maintain the customer. We have material. We have. Is it okay? Shall I show how to create material with HAWA or no need?
Okay,
Hello?
so create some of the
Fine. Okay. Let me create an material. You know how to create customer, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, let's create a material. Transaction code MM01. I'll maintain this as material code N3 TPO2. Industry sector we can maintain whichever we like. Then material type will make this as HAWA. Trading goods means we are buying from vendors, which is trading. Enter. Let's maintain basic data, sales data, purchasing data, MRP data, general data, accounting and costing. Continue. Maintain the plant, storage location, sales organization, and distribution channel. Continue. If we see here, while creating material, we need to ensure item category group has BANS, which is nothing but third party order. Okay, I'll maintain this text, base unit, material group, net weight, gross weight, dimension. Enter, enter. Maintain these parameters, tax parameters. Here, item category group. We need to make this as BANS. Yeah. What is this BANS? BANS nothing but third party item. If I click onto this box, here we can see all the options with various kinds of item category groups. I'm maintaining this as BANS, which is third party item. Account assignment, let's make this as trading, which is 01. Enter. Maintain the availability check. This material is for daily requirement with transportation group and loading group. Enter. Maintain some text material for third party item test. Next, purchasing. Maintain this here, purchasing group as 001. Purchasing group. Enter. Again, maintain some text till for TPO test. MRP data. Let's maintain this PD controller lot size X. Enter. This delivery may require 5 days for delivery, planned delivery date. Scheduling margin key. Enter, 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 enter. Valuation class as 3100. This is for trading goods. Let's maintain the for this item price is 99 rupees. Enter and save. So we have one material N3 underscore TPO underscore 2. Okay, any doubt with vendor creation or material creation?
No, sir.
Sunita,
No, sir.
fine. Shall we move further?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's try creating a sales order. So our expectation is as soon as we save the sales order, a purchase requisition will be generated, and we can see this in the schedule line data. Let's create a sales order /n VA01 order type over sales organization distribution channel division. Enter. Let's maintain the customer 900-901. Here, purchase order number. I don't have any reference. So what it is, and we are testing TPO, right? And make this a third party order test. Then purchase order date. Enter. Let's make delivery request. Today is 24th, right? So we need this delivery by 28th of February. Let's maintain the material and 3. This is the material and this is the quantity. Enter. Continue. Valuation price. Okay. Here we need delivery by 28th February, right? The system is saying confirmed quantity is 0, means there is no stock. System is proposing that we can deliver on 4th of March. Let's continue. If we see here, item category is task. This is due to the determination formula, item category determination, which is combination of sales organization, sales order type, item category group from material master. Based on that, item category task is determined. There is no item price. Why?
We didn't maintain the
Sorry,
prices.
come again.
We didn't maintain.
What? That is
Conditional loop.
condition.
Conditional code.
Conditional loop.
Condition records. Okay. This is the one. How are we going to make that? Via transaction code VK11.
VK11.
Price PR00. Enter. Continue. Let's make this as amount 125 rupees. Save it. Now what I'll do is I need to update this amount, right? Item price. So I'll double click on this. Go to the conditions tab. Click on to update. Here. Carry out new pricing. Double click on this. Now the system has fetched the price automatically from the condition records. We can see item price is 125, net value 125. Double click on this, go to the schedule lines tab. Here, schedule and category as CS. This is also got determined. And here, purchase requisition is empty. As soon as we save the sales order, a purchase requisition will be generated. Let's go back. Check for incompletion log. Did we miss any parameters? Document is clear. Let's save this. An order has been created with reference to 0206. Right? Create purchase. Okay. As soon as we save the sales order, we got purchase requisition where we can see. Go to the display mode. Enter. Double click on this. Go to the schedules tab. Here, a purchase requisition got generated. Sorry. Any notes in this order creation?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fine. The next step is, with this purchase requisition, we need to convert this to PO. How are we going to do that? Create purchase order with transaction code ME21N /N ME21N. This is the purchase order creation. Okay. We will make, while creating an order, we are maintaining order type, right? OR, CS, or rush order, or return order. In a similar way, while creating purchase orders, we have various order types like STO type, TM standard PO, likewise. So we are making a standard purchase order with type NB. Okay. Here, let's maintain our vendor reference. What was that? 9000907. 9000907. Okay. We have two options. Either we can maintain the entries manually, or simply we can drag this purchase requisition to the bucket. Drag it. Let me try again. Okay, I'll maintain the price here, 99. Here we got the error. Net price must be greater than, okay. I'll maintain 99, enter. Okay. We can see here, we are creating a purchase order with standard type, with standard order type NP, and our supplier will be this 9000907, Sri supplier. This is the material we need with quantity 1 piece, and the price will be 99 rupees. To which plant it will be delivered? For this plant N3. Fine. Any doubts in this order creation? Or if you have any doubt, please answer.
No, sir. No doubts.
Okay, let me create one second, okay? /n ME21N.
21.
We have two options. Either we can create manually. We have already purchase requisition reference. So what we can do is we can simply drag this and drag into the bucket. Maintain this purchase requisition, purchase organization. Okay, enter a vendor. Let's try again. Pulling this vendor 9000907. Then maintain this price. Can delivery take payment? Yes. Enter. So we have maintained all the data which is required for purchase organization. Sorry, purchase order data. Before saving, let's click on to this check icon. Okay, no message is during. We can save this purchase order. Okay, standard purchase order created with reference 431 22 431. We have customer, material type, condition record, and sales order with PO. The next step is PO will be sent to the supplier. 22431. We have sent this purchase order to our vendor. Right? Now, vendor will make a delivery to the customer. Okay? Let's assume this part is done. Delivery will be done by the vendor and invoice will be sent to our company. This vendor is sending an invoice to our company. So in our company, how are we going to execute this? We have a transaction code MIRO. When MIRO will be updated with respect to department. Okay. This is the step 3. Step 1, we have created order. Second step, we have sent the purchase order to our vendor. Third step, we have received an invoice from the supplier. So how are we going to know this invoice relevant to which order? With this PO number. Whenever the vendor will be sending an invoice, right? So he will be sending based on this PO. I'll copy this number, PO number, and go to the transaction code MIRO. /n my output. Here, what is MIRO? MIRO is nothing but incoming invoice. Let's maintain invoice date for today. Enter it. Here, maintain the PO number, purchase order reference tab, PO number, item number 10, enter. Order 31, enter. We can see here some errors. Still, it's green. Let's maintain the tax. Maintain the tax as V0. Actually, this is to be done by the accounts concern. Okay, but we are for learning purpose, we are doing this MIRO. So tax code, let's maintain the tax code as V0 and enter. Specify payment base method. Okay, let's maintain this date here. 24, enter. Still, we see this message. Okay, balance not 0. Go to the basic data tab. Customer needs to pay amount for an 99. Enter. Here, balance is 0. Click on to simulate document. We can see here, this supplier has sent an invoice for 99 rupees and cost of goods for 99 rupees. This is some kind of accounting entry and post it. Okay, we have a document with reference to an received invoice from the supplier. Any doubts in this step, MIRO step?
No, sir.
Sunita?
Sir, can you show again?
Fine. Okay. /n ME 22. /n ME 21. Enter. Let's maintain this vendor number. This is the PR, purchase requisition. Drag it. Okay, all the data has been automatically fetched from the purchase requisition. Click onto this check icon. and save it. Now we have one purchase order, right? Assume the supplier has sent a delivery to the customer, and the supplier is sending an invoice to our company. Our company, how are they going to make an entry for this invoice? They are going to do via transaction code MIRO. /n MIRO. This is nothing but incoming invoice. Okay. Into our system, we are maintaining an entry that we have received an invoice from supplier. So this is the date. This is the purchase order number which we have received an invoice. Okay. Basically, the supplier has sent material to the customer, and this supplier needs money, right, for the item which he delivered. So this supplier is sending an invoice to our company. In our company, we are maintaining an entry for the received invoice that we need to pay this amount which is delivered to the vendor. So that is vendor invoice. This is the purchase order number, item, enter it. Here we can see the messages error. Means if I click onto this, okay, enter a tax code. We have an error. This document is not yet completed because we need to maintain the tax code. Let's go to this tax code field and maintain this tax code V0. Enter. Still, we see this document has error. Message error. Okay. Specify payment base period base. Okay. Let's maintain this baseline data, which is in the payment tab. Earlier, this was basic data, invoice, purchase order number, item number 10, and tax code. Enter it. Again, go to the tab, payment tab, maintain the baseline date. Enter it. Again, click onto these messages. We have error. Balance not 0. Balance not 0. So I'll go to this. Maintain the amount 99. Okay. Click onto the simulate. We can see here green account and simulate. And post it to account. Cost of goods sold and the supplier. So with this, into our accounting entry, we have received an invoice from the supplier. Now, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, next step, what will be the next step?
We will send the invoice to customer.
Okay. Leela? Leela, you there? Fine. The last step is we need to get material from our customer, right? So for that, we need to raise an invoice against. How are we going to create billing? With reference to delivery or PO?
PO.
Okay, because here this document is related to PO. We are going to create a billing with reference to PO because we didn't make delivery. Let's go to this. We have sales order number 20206, right? /n VA03. Okay. We have two orders with 206 and 207. Enter. Click onto this display document. We can see here we have one order and along with purchase order also. Okay. Now /n VF01 for billing creation. This is the order number 20206. We are creating with reference to PO, with reference to sales order, we are making sales order number. Enter. You can see here, this is the buyer, customer. For an amount of 125 rupees, we need to get from the customer. This is the material, quantity, and a value. Material like this. Let's save this. Okay. Document created with reference, but we have an issue with account determination. Let's go back to the change mode. Enter. Click on to environment tab. Revenue accounts. Okay. Yes, we need to maintain this account determination. Okay. You do one thing, you can create until this billing document. Okay. Until this billing creation. Let me fix this one in next coming sessions. If any doubts, you may ask. /VA03. If I click onto this, we can see in the display document, standard order, purchase order, and invoice. With invoice creation, we have account determination error. This is the process flow of third-party order. Let's have a quick overview. We have created an order. Along with that order, a purchase requisition will be created. Then this purchase requisition will be converted to the purchase order via transaction code MB21N. We'll send this to supplier. Supplier will make the delivery to our customer, and an invoice will be sent to our company. We will maintain accounting entry via transaction code, and that will be updated with our system. Similarly, once all the process done, we'll be raising an invoice via transaction code VF01 to our customer based on the purchase order. We create customer. We have created material. Item category group as PANS. Scheduled category as CS. Purchase requisition is created. Scheduled category tab, we can see this reference number. With reference to purchase requisition, purchase order is created. Vendor delivers to the customer, and a bill will be raised to our company. We'll be maintaining with our reference MIRO. Then item category TAS or scheduled category CS is not relevant for delivery. Go to the sales document in the change mode, proceed for billing and invoice. Any doubts, please let me know.
No, sir.
Leela?
No, sir.
Hey, Krishna?
Hi, sir. Hi. Late జాయిన్ అయ్యాను నేను యాక్చువల్లీ.
ఓకే. ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉందా మీకు? అడగండి. ఏదైనా ఉంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచి చెప్పాలి?
యాక్చువల్లీ నేను మిడిల్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను కాబట్టి నాకేం అర్థం కాలేదు. అంటే నేను రికార్డింగ్ చూద్దామని మళ్ళీ తర్వాత.
ఓకే. ఎందుకు మళ్ళీ టైం వేస్ట్ 30 minutes? ఓకే. థర్డ్ పార్టీ ప్రాసెస్ అంటే ఏంటి? అంటే
వెండర్ కి సేల్స్ ఆర్డర్ ప్లేస్ చేస్తే వెండర్ డైరెక్ట్లీ డెలివరీ చేస్తాడు కస్టమర్ కి.
ఎస్ వెరీ గుడ్. సో
Yeah.
ఇది మామూలుగా మనం అర్థం అయితే సారీ here we are able to understand the third party process. Okay.
Yeah.
But in the
Yeah.
system, how are we going to execute? Okay.
Okay.
What is the sales organization? Okay. How are we going to send from this sales organization to vendor? Because this
Okay.
sales organization is our company. Okay.
Okay.
And this
Okay.
vendor is another company. So how
Okay.
the systems are integrated? Let me help you. Like you placed an order on Amazon. Okay. And
Okay.
you are getting an information messages, notification messages that you have placed an order that you have it will be delivered with XYZ data, XYZ date. So how this system is integrated? either we can send the PO manually, which is మనం అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఆ వెండర్కి ఇవ్వచ్చు. కాకపోతే
Okay.
ఇప్పుడైతే సిస్టమ్ టు సిస్టమ్స్ ఎలా కనెక్టెడ్ ఉన్నాయో మనం మెసేజెస్ ఎలా పంపిస్తున్నామో, ఈమెయిల్స్ ఎలా పంపిస్తున్నాం, అది ఎలా ట్రిగర్ అవుతుంది, ఈ మా సేల్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ నుంచి ఈ వెండర్కి నోటిఫికేషన్ ఎలా వెళ్తుంది, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ లెవెల్. ఓకే,
Okay.
we'll see those configuration level at later part, but first try to understand how are we going to execute this into system. కస్టమర్ మార్క్స్ డేటా ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు, మటీరియల్ మార్క్స్ డేటా ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు, కండిషన్ రికార్డ్ ఎలా మెయింటైన్ చేస్తారు, పర్చేజ్ ఆర్డర్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు, ఆల్ దిస్ వీ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద ఫంక్షనల్ స్టాండ్ పాయింట్. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ మీకు
Okay.
ఒకసారి చెప్తాను. నో వరీస్.
Okay. Yeah.
సునీత ఏంటిలా ఎనీ డౌట్?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, we'll take a 2 minutes break and we'll reconnect again.
Okay.
Same meeting. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.